Minard's Liniment. Like other patent medicines, Minard's was sold by its creator with exaggerated claims. Dr. Levi Minard, the King of Pain from Hants County, Nova Scotia, created Minard's Liniment. The cream is a special liniment for easing stiff, sore muscles and aching backs. Dr. Minard's preparation, which he developed in the 1860s from ingredients known to bring comfort and relief, became a popular home therapeutic. Its use became widespread throughout the maritime provinces and in Newfoundland. The popularity of Minard's Liniment then pushed west into Quebec and Ontario, where it became known as the King of Pain Relief because of the immediate relief it brought. The Minard's Liniment brand was acquired by Stella Pharmaceutical in 1998. The active ingredients in Minard's Liniment are camphor, ammonia water, and medicinal turpentine.
Oh, got another one showing, folks, right here. The lighting's not real good. Let's pull it out. Looks like a Minard's Liniment, maybe. Yep, that's what it is. Is it backwards? Looks like it's backwards. Anyways, that's it. Alright, I'll keep plugging away.